Okay, so after this, next you can do is you can publish your tour. So you can go here. So this is the one that we just do. So go to here, go to publish, click this. Okay, for publishing, okay, you can add a password to protect it. You will choose password, you can add description and password to protect it. But I won't be using this. Then you can save. You can set an expiry date. You can add a meta tag. So meta tag is actually for you to be able to be searchable in the search engine. Okay. So you can add a title, you can add a description, then you can add a photo to it. Okay, after that you can save. Okay. You can also create a friendly link. Okay. Okay, you can use this link, but it doesn't look nice because it has this index code here. So you can actually replace it with a nicer link. Let's say my VR tour. Okay, then you can actually generate the link, or you can, let's say I open this link, copy, and I paste it. So now you can see the VR is being generated. Okay, but if you want to white label, it, okay, you will not use this link. You can use this embeddable link. So this embeddable link you can copy and you can embed it into your own website or into other platform. Okay, and you will still show your VR tour but without the domain name from Real Property VR. Okay, so this one is a friendly link. So do not click on this, show as first page. Okay, do not click. So status, just choose activated. If you choose deactivated, then it will not show. So this is activated. Okay, so now I use the friendly link. Okay, so it will still show. Okay, instead of the old link which is nice with this, I use this. So this link look nicer, okay, compared to this. Okay, also the link for this link you can also share it. For this link you can also share it to your client from in WhatsApp. I can share it onto Facebook, and I can share to Twitter and all the social media. I can share to a client in WeChat also. Okay, so this is how you publish and share your VR tour link.